how to recover deleted photos on iPhone. It's a fairly simple process to recover our deleted photos on our iPhone. Let's say we open the Photos application. You went to a couple of photos or screenshots like this, you tap the delete icon and you tapped on delete. Well, the good news is that you can still choose to restore your photos 30 days after the deletion. Just keep in mind that if it has already been over 30 days, you will not find a way to restore your photos. But within 30 days of deletion, you can restore your photos by scrolling down to the Utilities tab, and under Utilities, you can see Recently Deleted. So tap on Recently Deleted, use your Face ID to basically view the album. You'll see all the photos that you've deleted within 30 days of the deletion. So you can select the photo or anything that you would like to recover. At the bottom, you can see two options again, delete completely or recover option. So if it is delete option, you can select delete, but if it's recover, just tap on recover option here, then tap on recover photo, and then you'll be able to recover it. This way you'll be able to recover deleted photos on iPhone. I hope that this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.